I'm a pretty decent YouTuber with 141,000 subscribers, and I actually want to help the small creators watching this. My videos usually get anywhere from 100,000 to 15 million views, and I started noticing something really interesting. A lot of people who use my sounds end up getting a lot of views too, and I know exactly how it feels to be a small creator because I was there once, spending hours making a video, posting it, going to sleep hoping it does well, and waking up to see it stuck at 67 views. That feeling sucks, so that's why I'm making this video. I genuinely want some of you to get your first 100,000 views by using this sound. I will also comment in your video. That's a promise. But if you never try it, you might never get